In this video, let's discuss what has happened in January of every bull year, starting from 2013 January, 2017 January, 2021 January, and 2025 January, which is this very year. How the market react in every bull year January. Look at it right here, January 2013. That was the first bull market in crypto. Market moved all the way from here, which was $13 all the way upward and hit this very point of $165 for one Bitcoin. Does this very reaction happen in 2017? Does it happen in 2021? And can we also see it in this very month, January 2025? And not only that, owing to the fact that a lot of things has happened in crypto, ranging from the spot Bitcoin ETF approval, Ethereum spot ETF approval, President Trump is going to take over office, which is a pro-crypto president, in this very month, 28th. Not only that, on the 29th of this very month is the Fed interest rate decision. Will all of this impact on the market and make the market to move all the way to the upside in this very month? Let's look at this very data in this very video. So if you like content like this, stick around and watch this video all the way to the very end. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. One thing that is very significant on this chart is the first bull market that ever existed in crypto, which was in 2013. Look at it right here. Market pump in January, okay? January 7th, 2013, market move all the way to the upside. We see a parabolic move all the way to the upside with this very candle. I am on BTC USD and I am on the 1 week chart. So the 1 week chart, market move parabolically in January all the way to the upside, entering February, March, all the way to this very point where we see Bitcoin hit $165 for one Bitcoin. That was in 2013 April, right here, before market come back down a little bit, and the move continue into 2014 before we see the bear market in 2015. So this is very important right here. If you look at this very data, market moved significantly in 2013 January all the way to April in that very year, which is 2013, which was a significant bull year. This very year was one of the years that gave Bitcoin a lot of attention. And if you look at what happened in 2017, let's look at what happened in 2017 bull market, because after 2013 bull market, the next bull market was in 2017, which was very, very aggressive. If you look at this very month, January 2017, market come back down. As we enter January 2017, market begin to come back down for 2 weeks consecutively, and then in the last 2 weeks of that very month, we see the market move up a little bit, but did not create a highest high. Okay, market drop all the way from this very price level of $1,137 at this very point, all the way to the downside to this very area of $755, and close at this very point of $930, which means if market drop all the way from $1,139 and close the month at 925, that also means the market come back down in the month of January 2017. However, that bull market was very, very severe compared to what we see in 2013, which is very, very significant. And then if you go a little bit further to what happened in 2021, because the 2021 bull market was not as severe as the 2017 bull market. Look at what happened in 2021, okay? As we enter the month of January 2021, market moved all the way to the upside and hit this very price level of $41,000 for one Bitcoin, and then come back all the way to the downside, this very point of $29,000 for Bitcoin, but the month closed at this very point of $33,000. Okay, this is what we see from this very month, January 2021 bull market. If you compare January 2021 bull market So January 2017 bull market, you see that there is similarity. Market move upward and close below in January 2017. The same thing happened in January 2021. Market move upward to $41,000 and then close $33,000 in the month of January 2021, which was the last bull year. And if you come back to what we have right now, this very year, which is very significant, which is the month we are already in right now. If you look at this very point, market opened in January around $92,000. And if you take this very low right here compared to where the market is right now at this very point of $99,000, what I am personally expecting is this: market should not go below this very point of $92,000 this very month of January. Market should not go below this very point. And what that means is we should see this very month, January 2025 bull market, align with what we saw in January 2013 bull market. This is what I am expecting right now from what I'm seeing on this very chart. And as we all know, President Trump is a pro-crypto president, and this market is going to definitely react to that very inauguration, and that very impact is going to be a positive impact. What I am expecting is for the market to move upward. We can see market go back a little bit to the downside. We may not see our all-time high at this very point of $108,000, but the thing is, this very month of January 2025, market is going to go up a little bit and close above the previous opening. Okay, that is, if the market opened at this very point of $92,000 for this very month, January 2025, it means that market should close above $92,000 for this very month, January 2025, which is a bull year. And this is what you need to pay attention to. What that also means is, if you are trading on futures and you consider taking a long position, for example, you take a long position and ensure that your liquidation price should be below the $92,000. Possibly a preferable position should be $88,000. That means I am not expecting the market to crash into this very point of $88,000 around this very area. This is what I'm personally looking at based on what we've seen in January 2013, January 2017, January 2021, and what I'm expecting in January 2025. All this bull year, January have been an interesting year, and this is very, very important. And we need to note this because after January, February is always a very significant month for markets to move parabolically all the way to the upside so that we can position ourselves. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. If you trade crypto, or if you trade on futures, if you want to long, this is what you have to look at right now from this very data from 2013 to this very year 2025. So conclusively, what I am expecting in this very month of January 2025, owing to the fact that a lot of things has happened in the crypto space, ranging from the spot Bitcoin ETF approval, Ethereum spot ETF approval. President Trump is going to take over office on the 20th of this very month, 2025, and also the Fed interest rate is coming on the 29th of this very month, 2025. Market is going to move upward. We should not see the market drop below this very point of $91,000 and $92,000, and this is my personal opinion. I am not expecting the market to go below this very price level. Do market have the capacity of going below that? Yes, that's true, but personally, I am looking at market moving upward gradually into President Trump inauguration, and also after the Fed interest rate, we should see a parabolic move into February 2025 all the way to the upside. So if you trade on futures, this is the best time to strategize and ensure that your liquidation price is below $88,000 and $85,000 if you want to take a long position all the way to the upside, because that parabolic move is coming right in very, very soon. This is a very important data you must have to pay attention to and trade in line with it. So what that means is, if Bitcoin begins to move all the way to the upside, it means that every other altcoins, 95% of them is also going to move all the way to the upside, and this is very important data for all of us right now. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. And if you want to watch my video on the best crypto narrative to investing in this very bull market, check this video right here. It's going to help you. And if you want to learn how to trade crypto from beginning to advance, check this video right here. It's going to help you. Join our Telegram channel, the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. It is a free channel. Thanks for supporting this channel.